Hello boys and girls, you are welcome to practical class. So today we are going to create a timetable. So it's very simple because I believe you will wonder how your teacher always prepare it before they send it to you, whether for the exam or for the online classes or for the normal physical class in school. So today we are going to design our own in Google Docs. So let's start. So let me quickly remove my camera as we continue. Alright, so the app we are still using today is Docs. So I believe you can see Docs. So that's the app we are using today. So now let me click on the app. Then I will now move to the plus here to open a new page. So I will click, then I will click again. So once it's open, I would like to bend my screen so that I can see what I'm doing. So I will change the orientation of my screen. You see, it has been changed. So the next thing I will do is I will come here to this plus so that I can create my table for my timetable. So I will click. So I've clicked. Now I will scroll to where I will see table under here. So I've seen table. So I will click on table. Now to create a table, we always use columns and rows. So now let me create the table. So for my table, I will come here. I will come here and click this button, and for my columns, I will select 6. So I've changed it to 6. So for my rows, I will select 7. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, then after that I will now come down here where I'm saying insert table. Then I will click on it to insert the table. So I've clicked. You wait and the table will appear on the screen. Alright, now the next thing I will do is I will start entering my data into my table. So what I will do is that I will click here and put time. So I want everything to be in capital letter. So I will make it to be in capital letter. So I will put time. Now on this second cell, I will put days before I type the name of the day. So I will put this. Now on the next cell, we call that box cell. So I will put Monday. Then the next one I will put Tuesday. Alright. Then the next one I will put Wednesday. Then the next one I will put Thursday. Then the next one I will put Friday. So once I'm done with that, let me show you the way it's looking. You see, time, days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So the next thing I will do is where I put my time, I want the time to be there. So I will click so that I can erase that. Then I will now put the time. So I will change to number. Then I will put like 12:30 then to 120. That's for the first period. Then for the second one, I will put 120 to 210, 210. Then for the next one, I will put 210 to 220. I believe you are following. Then the next one, which is this one, I put 220 to 310. Then the last one, which is this last one, I will put 310 to 4. Although I can change the time if I don't want it anytime, but let's leave it as this. Alright, I'm done with the time. Remember, I first put time so that I will know where to put my time. Then I delete the time and put the time. Now the next thing is to enter the subject per each period. Now we start from Monday. So I will start. So for Monday, I will type maths. So I will change to maths. I want maths. That's for Monday. Then for Tuesday, under that same period, I want social studies. So I will short that because it cannot take that. Then for the next one, which is Wednesday, I will put spelling. Spelling can go. Okay. Then the next one, which is Thursday, I will put health education. So I will put edu. Then for Friday, I will put science. Then I will go to the next period, which is this one. So I will put grammar. Then for Tuesday, under that same period, I will put mental maths. Right. For the next one, which is Wednesday, I will put the next one. For Thursday, I will put history and geography. Right, let me space it. For Friday, I will put comprehension. So I short it to that. Now let me move to the next day, which is, so for this Monday, for this place I will put break. So in between of all this, let me count the, so I have, so let me put it on Wednesday. So I will make sure that one is in capital letter or true. Break. Alright, now the next thing I will do is to go to the next period, which is this one for Monday. So I will put CRS, then slash IRS. I believe you are following it so that you can do your own. Then for Tuesday, I will put creative writing. So I will short the writing. Alright. For Wednesday, under that, I will put verbal. Then the next one, I will put French. And then the next one here, I will put library. Then let me now move to the last one, which is this last one. So under the time, that's 3:10 to 4. Right, that's the simple way to create a timetable. When I finish, you will see it. So I put art here. Then the next one, I put music. And the next one, I put science. Then the next one, I put ICT. ICT should be in capital letter. Then the next one, I put science. Alright, so let me show you what I've been typing. If you look at this is a simple timetable, as you can see, but I can still format it so that it will look beautiful. So if I want to format it, what I will do, I will click here, and so that I can highlight the text, then I can go to bold. You see, it's more bolder than before. Then days too, I can highlight it and also bold it. So I will click bold to bold it. So what about my time and days? I can do that for them too. So it depends on how you want it, but this is a simple way to create the timetable. So that's the way your teacher always creates your timetable. And as you can see, from this timetable now, I have from Monday to Tuesday. So if you are reading it, you will read it. This is Monday, time for the first period, 12:30 to 1:20. For grammar, 1:20 to 2:10. Then we have break in between here. Then we have CRS and IRS. Then the last period for that day is art. So before you now move to the next day, I believe it's very simple, and I believe you can do the same. So try it and let's see your own work. Thank you, friends.